Hey there, welcome to day 4 of 30 Days to Make Your Money Count. Today we're going to talk about the Document Vault. It's a great way for you to organize your financial plan and to collaborate with your financial advisor. So when you're ready, click on the link, jump into day 4 of 30 Days to Make Your Money Count. And here you can see the assignment, or the lesson rather, is day number 4. So let's get started. So the Document Vault is a very important element in your financial planning portal. You probably have lots of financial planning documents, including your estate planning documents, statements, investment account statements, and many, many other documents. So I want to show you around the vault. So first of all, you're going to jump into Right Capital. You're going to log into your account, into your plan, and you'll notice that you generally start on Dashboard, and you can see all of these navigation links up here at the top. You're going to go all the way over to the 3 dots, and that's where you're going to see Vault. Now this is your vault. You can create a folder or folders, anything you need to create in your vault to organize your financial documents. On the other side of the table, I will be creating folders and uploading documents. So let me show you how that works. So this is a shared folder. You can create private folders if you want. That would be a folder that I would not have access to. No one on my team would be able to access your private folder. And you're welcome to create private folders. But let's do a shared folder. So I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to call it Financial Planning Reports. Let's just call it Financial Planning Reports. And that's the name of the vault. Now I'm going to open, or the name of the folder rather, inside of the vault. Now I'm going to add a document. So the way that works, you just click on Add a Document, or Add a File rather, and I'm going to pick a file from my computer. So I've created some lesson in Billy's report. I created a report, a financial planning report for Billy, so I'm going to upload that, and I'm going to add it to the vault. So if you're Billy, you log into your financial plan, you'll see there's a new document in your vault, and it's a document that I created for you. So I just clicked on that. Now I'm pretending to be Billy, and this would be Billy's financial planning report. So that is just one example. And then Billy, if I'm Billy, I can hit the little download and I can save it to my hard drive. But that's how you do it. That's how you access your document vault in Right Capital. I hope you'll do that. I hope you'll do the homework and play around with your document vault, start to get organized, and that will be a great way for us to move forward in helping you create a comprehensive financial plan over the next 30 days. So getting started with documents and organizing those documents inside of your vault can be very helpful. I'll see you in the next video and the next lesson.